Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia back at it with another video today, and we are testing out the Kendall collection by Kylie Cosmetics. So sit back, relax, grab a snack, and let's get started. First off, just a disclaimer, all the opinions in this video are my own. This video is not sponsored, and I bought these products with my own money. So you can trust in my opinion is what I'm saying, I guess. So I got the eyeshadow palette and I got the lip blush kit. These are the main items in the collection. There are a few more things, but like I say in every video, your girl's on a budget, so yeah. Alright, so let's start off with the eyeshadow palette and try her out. So it comes in this very cute packaging with the glossy clear letters on the front. Just a cute picture of them together or whatever. And then on the actual palette, it just says Kendall by Kylie Cosmetics in black and gold. And then you open her up. She is a magnet close, whatever you call it, magnet clasp or whatever. And you have mostly nude neutral shades and then a few pops of color, which these green shades are freaking gorgeous. And I don't know, I actually really like the color story in this palette. I think it's super eye-catching, super cute. So first off, I'm going to go into Cup of Tea, which is this light brown shade right here, and it's more cool toned, and I'm just gonna grab that with a big fluffy brush. And I can tell you right now, there already is a fallout in the pan. As you can see, it's quite a bit, and I tapped in there pretty lightly. So just be aware of that, but it might not affect the application on the eye, but we will see. All right, just grabbing that, and I'm going to just go ahead and put that all over in the crease back and forth. She's blending out really, really well, so that's good. And I'm building a little bit of color right now, and it is building well as well. No complaints yet, and the fallout isn't affecting it so far, so really good. All right, now I'm going to grab this smaller blending brush right here, and I'm gonna go into the dark brown called Brunettes Do It Best. It's this one right here, and I'm just gonna tap into that and go more precisely into the crease. Okay, yeah, this has really great pigmentation. Let's see if it blends. The shade is also blending really well as well, so again, it's great so far. Now I'm just gonna take more of that and I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner just to keep that definition, create more dimension, and we will blend it out better in a second, but I just wanna lay this foundation down first. Okay, now taking that big fluffy brush, I'm going to just diffuse the edge a little bit. And then I'm gonna go into this light purpley mauve shade called You're Tiny and Cute. Going to go in with this big fluffy brush. So I'm just gonna dab into that very lightly. And I'm just gonna put that on the top of all this transition shade just to help it transition a little bit better. Again, just taking it very lightly on the brush and then just going right on the edge of that and diffusing it out. All right, next I'm gonna go into the shade November 3rd. It looks so gorgeous. Like, first glance, this is my favorite shade out of the palette, but I'm hoping it applies beautifully because it is a stunner. It is this one right here. Super, super gorgeous. So should I go in with my finger or should I go in with a brush? What should I do? Let's see if a brush picks it up first at all. Okay, it does, but I think I'm gonna go in with my finger anyways, just because I feel like the heat of your finger helps pick up the pigment better. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my finger. Wow, that looks gorgeous on the finger, so pretty. And I'm just going to put that right on my lid, basically everywhere. Wow, that is a stunner, you guys. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. No. And then I'm gonna take the brush and I'm gonna go in my inner corner just because it's hard for me to get there with these nails, but. Now keep in mind the shimmer does not blend very well on its own into the matte shades. Some do that, but this one does not, so keep that in mind. Now onto this side, just placing it down. It kind of has like an orange glow to it. It's like gold and orange and just so pretty bronze. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab that small blending brush again, and I'm gonna go into Cup of Tea, and I'm just gonna try and diffuse the shade. See, oh yeah, okay. Once you go over on top of it with the matte, it does blend nicely. So see, it's kind of choppy right there, but it blends pretty well when I put the matte back over it. So pretty, you guys. This is a beautiful color. I'm just gonna take Cup of Tea again, and I'm just gonna go right onto my lower lash line while we're at it. Okay, I feel like I need to use one of the more colorful shades so that you guys can see like one of them at least. So I'm gonna go into this yellow mustardy color called Runs in the Family. I'm just gonna put her on this little like pointy brush I have here, and I'm gonna try and put her like right on my inner corner. So hopefully this works out. Hopefully it doesn't ruin it. Okay, here we go. Sorry, I'm kind of leaning close because woohoo, she is pigmented. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, right? Do I like it like that though? Maybe if I go, yeah, I'm gonna kind of do in the inner corner and then along the bottom inner corner lash line, just a little bit. And then with that same one, I'm gonna go into Twice the Ice, and it's this lighter glittery shade right here. And I'm just gonna grab that, and I'm gonna go on the top part of this lash line here. Okay, so far, they actually applied really, really well. I am actually impressed by this palette. The only thing I will say that if this really bothers you, you won't like it, is the fallout in the actual pans in the palette. As far as getting them on the eyes, they apply really well. I didn't get very much fallout onto my cheeks a lot, just like a tiny, 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 tiny bit that you can like barely even notice, like only if you try really hard. So they apply super well on the eye, but keep that in mind if it bothers you in the pan. Before I put lashes on and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the lip blush, and then we'll continue to that. But it's super cute. It's super cute though. It comes in this packaging of their faces, all glamorous and together. Anyways, let's pop this out. Honestly, these are pretty close to like Kim K vibes. Like they have the neutral packaging, soft touch matte, very glamorous and neutral. So let's just try her out and see how she does. And I can't talk while I do this, so please enjoy this fast forwarded clip. Okay, the liner is very pigmented and very smooth. I'm pretty sure this is like sharpenable plastic, I'm pretty sure, so there's more product than just that. But anyways, yeah, good. And then this feels so buttery soft. It is so soft. The color is super beautiful, and I'm gonna give this an A+ as well. Like, I promise you guys, if there is something bothering me about this, I would tell you, but I'm honestly impressed and I really like the products. So just take my word for it. Promise I'm telling the truth. Sometimes I feel bad when I do reviews because the products are like actually good and I like them, and I'm like, oh, people are gonna think I'm like fake and just saying crap to this like products and stuff. But I'm not. I swear on my life, you guys actually like this. Also, let me just show you the doe foot applicator on the lip blush. So hold on, let me like, so there she is. She's pretty typical, honestly, but nonetheless, she's good, so yeah. All right, you guys, I'm gonna pop on some lashes super quick and some setting spray, and then I will be right back with our conclusion. All right, you guys, I popped some lashes on, and I also put that light shimmer shade on my inner corners and the brow bone, and I think it turned out beautiful. I think it would even be good as a highlight, like for your cheekbones or whatever. It was just super gorgeous. But anyways, let's get down and dirty in the details. Alright, so the eyeshadow palette comes with 15 shades. Most of them are neutrals, with about 6-7 of them are colorful punches in the face. That's a good thing in my opinion. But I think the color story is just beautiful. This palette is worth it if you want to buy it, just because if it, like, it's my vibe, so if it's your vibe, you'll like it too, right? If fallout is a huge problem for you, you will not like this. It's a lot of fallout. The reason why there's a lot of fallout is sometimes they press the pigments a little bit lighter so that more pigment picks up on the brush. But something you can do to help that if you are wanting to get this is just do your eye makeup before the rest of your makeup. That way you can wipe off anything if it does fall, but I personally didn't have a problem with that, and fallout doesn't bother me that much. So just keep that in mind. But anyways, it's so cute. I love it. I can see myself reaching for this again. So I'm gonna give this a 9.7 out of 10. What the crap, let's give it 10 out of 10. I liked it. I thought it was really good. And the lip blush I love. It's so good. The color is very flattering, and it looks like it would be flattering on a lot of different skin tones, but it's just that perfect mauve nude. It's so gorgeous, so soft on the lips. It's a little bit sticky, so keep that in mind. Not like glossy sticky, but like if you see, like it kind of like tacks a little bit, but it doesn't bother me at all, and you can't notice it when you're talking or anything like that. So yeah, but this is so nice. I love it. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 as well. I feel like the Kardashian Jenner clan gets kind of a lot of harsh reviews just because of who they are, and I'm not afraid to say when something's bad or anything, but I feel like they get a bad rap on their products because I thought it was really good, you guys. Not gonna lie, I thought it was really good and I enjoyed it a lot, enjoyed the color story, enjoyed everything, so that's the tea. Anyways, that is all, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the end look as well. But thank you so much for watching, and don't forget that if you want to be my friend, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future uploads and reviews and all that good jazz. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.